Hi and welcome to the Nordic Watch channel. I'm Anders from Finland and I'll show you how to set the time on a Casio F91W. This watch has 3 buttons to it, so let's just name them the A button, the B button and the C button. So starting off from here, press the B button 3 times and the seconds will start to blink. Now if you press the C button, it will reset the seconds. And now to move on, press the A button and it starts to blink on the hours. Again, pressing the C button changes the hours. And then if you press the A button again, it moves on to the minutes. Same thing here with the C button. You can also keep it pressed in order to go faster. And after 59, it sets back to 0 without changing the hours. Select the minute you want, and then again by pressing the A button, you can move on. Now it starts to blink for the month of the year, so in this case April. Just press the C button again to change the month. I'm gonna choose November here, so 11. Now pressing the A button, it moves on to the date. I'm going to select 28 here. And now once more the A button and the day of the week starts to blink. Today is Thursday, so I'm taking that. And now if you press the A button, again it moves on to the seconds, starting out from the beginning. Once more I'm resetting the seconds to 0, and whenever you're happy with your edit, just press the B button to exit the time modification. Hope you found this video useful. Check out my channel for more videos and see you in another video. Bye bye.